Is there a supernatural dimension? A world beyond the one we know? Is there life after death? Do angels exist? Can our dreams contain messages from heaven? Can we tap into ancient secrets of the supernatural? Are healing miracles real? Sid Roth has spent over 35 years researching the strange world of the supernatural. Join Sid for this edition of It's Supernatural.
Hello, Sid Roth here. Welcome to my world, where it's naturally supernatural. I just love breathing in the rarefied air of heaven. You know, in the 1940s and 1950s, God touched men and women by the Spirit of God, and they had tent meetings all over the United States, major miracles happening. But they made a mistake. They did not teach their generation how they could do what these miracle ministries were doing. They were kind of on a pedestal. But you see, anything they could do, if they had taught their generation, anyone could do, because it's God that does the miracles. So, my guest was a teenager and was mentored by some of the great healing evangelists of the 40s and 50s. And I can tell you, he wants to mentor you so you can do anything these great miracle ministries did. Can you picture going into a restaurant and seeing a waitress limp a little bit and say, "Can I pray for you?" and seeing her legs straighten out, and everyone in the restaurant is listening more than they listen to that advertisement for a stockbroker, and then you stand on the table, well, maybe you might not, I'll stand on the table and proclaim the gospel. How'd you like to be able to do that? Well, you're going to be equipped.